Welcome back to another video. Now, we are going to discuss the Ever wondered what goodness is in a banana? Other than being rich in vitamin B6, bananas are a good source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, and manganese. Bananas are also fat-free, cholesterol-free and virtually sodium-free. Health benefits of bananas. No. Bananas are one of the best fruit sources of vitamin B6. A medium-sized banana can provide about a quarter of your daily vitamin B6 needs. Vitamin B6 helps your body produce red blood cells, metabolize carbohydrates and fats, turning them into energy. Number 2. Bananas are respectable sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps protect your body against cell and tissue damage. Your body absorb iron better. Your body produce collagen, the protein which holds your skin, bones and body together. Number 3. Manganese in bananas is good for your skin. Manganese helps your body make collagen, and protects your skin and other cells against free radical damage. Number 4. Potassium in bananas. Potassium helps your body maintain a healthy heart and blood pressure. In addition, bananas are low in sodium. The low sodium and high potassium combination helps to control high blood pressure. Number 5. Bananas can aid digestion. Soluble and insoluble fibers play an important role in your health. Soluble fiber helps your body control your blood sugar level and get rid of fatty substances such as cholesterol. Insoluble fiber adds weight and softness to stools, making it easier for you to have regular bowel movements. Number 6. Bananas give you energy. Bananas contain 3 natural sugars: sucrose, fructose, and glucose, giving you a fat and cholesterol-free source of energy. As such, bananas are ideal, especially for children and athletes, for breakfast, as a midday snack or before and after sports. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.